Hi all, I am Manasa. I am living in Hosur. I completed class 12 from the Ashok Leyland School, Hosur, and I've scored 474 in my 12th board exams, which was conducted in this year. I got to know about Let's Pass CA Academy from YouTube. I was searching for a lot of academies when this year, and then I got to know about this academy, and I was very much happy to know that such good academy did exist to coach students who wanted to pursue CA. I joined Let's Pass CA in the month of May, and it's been 3 months since I joined. And I am really loving the classes. The classes are going so well. The classes are very well planned and organized. I don't have to wait for the faculties to inform me because I know the timings when the classes would be conducted, so I can plan my day accordingly. The faculties are so friendly. They are very down to earth. They are very easily approachable. I can call the faculties whenever I want. I can ask all doubts to them. I can contact them through WhatsApp as well, or I can just directly call them. So approachability is so good here, and doubt clarification is also again a real good plus point here because whenever I have doubt, I can either clarify it with my friends, or I can clarify it from the teachers as well, because here we have a lot of subgroups wherein we can interact with the other students. We don't have to just wait for the teacher to answer our doubts. We can get it clarified with the other students as well. And test series are really good. We've been writing so many tests in all the subjects, especially in accountancy and math, and it's really good. We are writing around more than two tests in math for each and every chapter, and not for the whole subject as a whole. So around right now, I've written around 5 tests in accountancy, and I've completed around 5 to 6 tests in math. And the classes recordings are so good. I completely read accountancy through the recorded classes. It's so good, and the live classes are very lively. It is very interactive. The teachers just don't come and teach everything that's in the book. They don't just come and vomit in the everything that is in the book, but they not only teach what we have to write for the exams, but they also try to motivate us. And honestly, I am not an early riser, but after joining here, Krishnan sir has made me go bed too early and wake up in the morning early. So it's really good. I'm enjoying studying, and it has been a passion for me right from the beginning. I wanted to do CA, and now I'm very confident. I'm pretty confident to take up the exams this year, foundation exams this year. And my about my study hours, I study around on an average, I study around 8 to 10 hours a day. So it includes 4 hours of class and the other times where I study by myself and write tests as well. And I would definitely recommend this academy to everybody who asks me, because I am I think the best decision that I made is joining here.